For India's Generation Z in 2025, freedom is more than just a word. It's a dynamic force shaping every aspect of their lives. Born between 1997 and 2012, this generation is rewriting the script on what it means to be truly autonomous. Their influence begins at home, where nearly 93% of Gen Z and Gen Alpha actively steer family travel decisions, a powerful testament to their growing role in shaping personal and collective choices. Digital freedom stands at the forefront of their reimagined autonomy. With technology at their fingertips, Gen Z is redefining social interaction, preferring privacy and authenticity over public validation. In fact, 44% of Indian Gen Z users now reconsider their online engagements, carefully curating their digital identities to avoid judgment and maintain control. This shift has sparked a quiet migration from public platforms to private spaces, reflecting a desire to craft personal narratives away from the spotlight. Economically, Gen Z's pursuit of freedom is bold and entrepreneurial. Armed with accessible technology and a commitment to sustainability, they're launching startups, freelancing, and embracing side hustles. Their economic impact is undeniable. Gen Z currently contributes a staggering $860 billion to India's consumer spending, with projections soaring to $2 trillion by 2035. This surge isn't just about money, it's about empowerment, innovation, and the drive to shape society on their own terms. In the professional realm, Gen Z is transforming workplaces, prioritizing purpose and flexibility over traditional perks. They demand environments that respect their autonomy and support mental well-being, often exploring multiple income streams through moonlighting. Their insistence on adaptable work structures is challenging old norms, pushing for a balance that allows growth without sacrificing freedom. Ultimately, for India's Gen Z, freedom in 2025 means autonomy, privacy, and purpose, actively shaping their world while staying true to themselves. This is a generation not content to simply inherit the future. They're determined to define it,